In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever set up an invoice to repeat automatically and then realized you don't want it to keep going, this walkthrough is for you. Maybe a client's contract ended, a subscription was canceled, or you just need to pause billing for a while. Instead of deleting anything or risking changes to your records, we're going to safely stop those invoices from sending in the future. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. At the very top right of the screen, you'll see the small gear icon. This is your main settings menu, and it's where QuickBooks keeps a lot of important tools and lists. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When the menu opens, look for the section labeled Lists. Under that section, you'll see an option called Recurring Transactions. This is where all of your scheduled templates live, including recurring invoices, recurring sales receipts, and other automated forms. Click on Recurring Transactions to open that list. You'll now see a table with all your recurring templates. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the invoice you want to stop. You can use the search bar or sort the list to make it easier if you have a lot of templates. Once you've located the correct recurring invoice, look over to the Action column on the right-hand side and click Edit. This opens the template itself, not a single invoice, so any change you make here will affect future automated invoices. Inside the template, look for the field labeled Type. This dropdown controls how and when QuickBooks creates new transactions from this template. It might currently be set to Scheduled, which tells QuickBooks to create and send invoices on a regular timetable. To stop those invoices from recurring, click the Type dropdown and change it to Unscheduled. Setting it to Unscheduled means QuickBooks will no longer automatically create or send new invoices from this template. The template will still exist, so you can use it manually later if you want, but the automatic billing stops from this point forward. Once you've changed the type to Unscheduled, move down to the bottom right of the window and click Save Template. That's what confirms and applies your change. After saving, your recurring invoice is no longer set to run on its own, and you've successfully stopped that recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online.